Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to pause app download on iPhone. If you are downloading an app and now you want to pause the download process of app, so let's see how can you do it. For this, first you have to open your phone settings. In settings, go to general and then go to software update. And here you have to make sure that your system is up to date of almost 18.45 or the newer version of iOS. So after doing this, you just have to go back and then open App Store. In App Store, you just have to look for app which you want to download. As I'm going to download this one, so just tap on it and then tap on Get to start the download. Then tap on Install. And here you can see the downloading process has been started. Now if you want to pause the download, so just tap on this icon, just tap on it and then it will be paused. And here you can see it has been paused on my home screen. And after doing this, just go for the app store and then tap on resume, and then here you can see the download has been resumed. So that's how you can pause app download on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.